Boys, girls, hi. This is Symbol of Justice, Game Player Master. I am going to show you all how to download the sound effects fr- from all of this. You can choose each one of them for you want for your video games or your films to make them special edition. For example, if you want to download this one, then just copy this link and go to see this link. You might find it. You might gonna find it in the description. Then you can, then you can. There's the choices if you want to know how much of your storage is gonna be. If you want to choose this, or or you can choose each one of them. It's your choice. It if you press this, click this one, download, but just ignore this website. See, you have it. You can also, and you can download more of them, more of the sound effects, of my sound effects. It, it could be the greatest for you. Make your videos greatest ever. Thanks for watching, and click like, leave a comment below, and subscribe my channel. Enable all notifications if you want to see more future videos or films. Go beyond, plus ultra. Thank you.